Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Telegram from your Telegram app, or you can say it's an invitation video. So let's get started. At first, open your Telegram app. Here you can see a menu bar. Click on it and you can see there is an option called Invite Friends. Click on it and click on the share telegram option. Now you can see there are many options how you can send your telegram to, so you can use any of them. Like you can do it through your Facebook, your telegram app itself, then nearby share chats by your Chrome browser, by Drive, by Gmail, by Skype, by WhatsApp, by messages, and through many other options. So I'm clicking on the chats option, as you can see, and now you can send it to anyone from your contacts. I'm sending it to one, and yeah, it is sent. So yes, this is how you can send your Telegram app. So let's check it out if it is gone or not. Here you can see that the message is gone. So yeah, okay friends. Now please, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment on this video and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.